Welcome to All-Star Auto Body, your one-stop solution for all your insurance claim processing needs. Insurance claim processing made easy. Dealing with insurance can be a hassle, but not with All-Star Auto Body. Our team of experts will handle the entire claim process on your behalf, making it a stress-free experience for you. Hassle-free towing assistance. In case your vehicle needs to be towed to our shop, we offer 24/7 towing assistance. Our reliable tow truck partners will ensure safe and secure transportation of your vehicle to our facility. Enjoy our rental car. We understand the inconvenience of being without a vehicle. That's why we offer a rental car while your car is being repaired at All-Star Auto Body. No need to worry about transportation. We cover your deductible. Yes, you read it right. At All-Star Auto Body, we will pay your deductible up to $500, so you don't have any out-of-pocket expenses. It's our way of saying thank you for choosing us. Experienced technicians you can trust. Our team of experienced technicians is equipped with state-of-the-art tools and technology to handle all kinds of auto body repairs. We'll have your vehicle looking as good as new in no time. Quality assurance guaranteed. We take pride in providing top-notch services to our customers. That's why we offer a lifetime guarantee on all our repairs. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Contact us today for all your auto body needs. Don't let the stress of dealing with insurance claims and auto body repairs overwhelm you. Let All-Star Auto Body take care of it all. Contact us today to schedule your appointment. Thank you for choosing All-Star Auto Body. We value your trust and promise to provide the best services at affordable prices. Visit us at allstarautobody.biz for more information. See you soon!